A lifetime of accumulation in one spot. Yeah, most of this stuff is 20 plus years old or older. Because you just don't want to throw anything out when you reach a certain age and you, let's just say, on a fixed income. Yeah, buddy. Because you can fix stuff cheaper than you can buy new, right? Right. So way back in there is a backhoe. See it? See a little seat thingy sitting right there? Yeah, that's a backhoe for that. And I put the tiller on this for the winter time to save space in the tractor barn. You know, it saves a lot of space because that backhoe sticks out a lot from the back end of this tractor. But I use the backhoe a lot. I like having the backhoe. I like the weight distribution. I like everything about it. And as the years went by, I got pretty good at operating it. I mean, for a weekender, let's just say. So I have a half a dozen or more trees I need to uproot this spring as soon as the snow melts. I think it's going to go quick. Look how quick it's gone right through here and along the greenhouse. I have to make a greenhouse repair right here. I think I hit it with the tractor, or it was the ice heave. I think it was more the ice heave than anything, although I do see that paint gouge right there at the bottom, so I might have hit it with the tractor. I'm so careful though. That's why I kind of don't think I don't know. We'll get it fixed. That's what I do know. I'll have to cut a piece of this end here off. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm going to do this first and then put the backhoe on the tractor. Look at all this snow, okay? Because, you know, when the snow's all gone and melted, you want to get all your spring cleaning and spring work done as quickly as possible so you can hit the lakes, right? I mean, that's where we live. We live in Vacation Resort Corridor, Brainerd Lakes, Minnesota, and we want to take advantage of living here. Just like we sort of kind of took advantage of living in Vegas by not going to the casinos and saving our money for our outdoor activity. Yeah, same thing applies here. So I am going to go get some tools and fix this greenhouse. I might have to solicit Candy's help. We'll play it by ear. We'll put the tools in the back of the Ranger. I do have some new lights that we picked up on sale, Black Friday special at Home Depot for these replacements here. Get a little more light in here. So I think we'll get those put up too. All right, let's have a close-up look here. We want to get this done. Candy wanted to use your greenhouse too. So, all right, we got to get this wire off. Here's where it broke loose right here. So this looks good. So we'll just have to find another piece of this aluminum stripping right here. See how bent up that is? We'll cut. Yeah. Alright, need some tools. All right, we got to rip up this whole section of the greenhouse here, repair it, get some greenhouse tape. I think I have some. And first things first, I got to go get my toolboxes. So we'll take the Ranger over to get the toolboxes. We'll get stuff out of the way of the vise here. I gotta hang that flag up yet. We got a complete fab shop here, boys. We should be able to fix just about anything, right? Including this severely damaged piece of aluminum. Well, that's the hope anyway. We'll make some space here. Something we have so very little of. Starting to break everywhere. Starting to break here now. That's loud. Take that bolt out of here. There you go, boys. You don't have to go buy new every time something breaks. Pound it out and fix it. Get some coat hanger and some duct tape. As long as it works. That's all that matters, right? And it works. And it looks good, okay? So we got that fixed. One less thing we have to do. We don't want to spend time fixing and doing maintenance around the property when there's fishing to do. Camping, stuff like that to do. I mean, time's running out. We're getting older, right? Heck yeah. Okay, we got that fixed. Now let's put up some lights. I'm not a big fan of this packaging. I don't know how the lights work because we got this on Black Friday special, and I'm just now putting them up because we're never out here in the winter time. We don't need to see shit in the winter. Oh, we need to see a lot in the spring, summer, and fall though. Anyway, this packaging makes it look like you bought it off of some TV commercial. You know, you're up at 2 o'clock. They cater to those people, you know. You're up at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, that's the people they're catering to. You're sitting on your wallet. You got your credit card right on the outside of your driver's license sitting right there. Easy access, right? Yeah, and you're laying there at 2 o'clock in the morning. That commercial comes on and it has a box like this. And it says, now, one-time offer, buy one, get one free. Yeah, that kind of thing. Yeah, I don't fall for those, but I did fall for this. Same exact thing at Home Depot. It's different when it's not on a telephone. Okay, there's a switch on those lights as it turns out. There's for motion activated and non-motion activated, so they're working. I just put one up. It works fine. Let's make sure the other one, that's all it was. Doesn't look that much brighter, but it is daytime. There we go. There we got it. All right, we got the greenhouse fixed, and we got better lighting in our big pole barn. Let's see if we can get the lawnmower started so we can get it out of the way and not worry about a new battery this year, hopefully. All right, got the greenhouse fixed, got the new lights put up in the pole barn. We kind of used our backpack blower to blow a little bit of the dirt out of there. Got the lawnmower started, put air in the tires, aired up the tires of the bike, and now we're going to put it in a position of daily use. part about it being a nice day is, you know, between jobs, like I'm taking the tiller off of my tractor now, I'm going to put the backhoe on it. Between jobs, I can take my Ranger out and just like do what I just did. Just go do donuts in the middle of the road. Get all nice and muddy. It's badass. Heck yeah. So now I have to take this tiller completely off of the tractor. Lock, stock, and barrel. And when I say lock, stock, and barrel, that means the whole 3-point hitch system has to come off in order for the backhoe to come on. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. I just backed up until I could fit the lift on the tractor, the lift hooks on the tractor, just underneath the catch hooks on the backhoe. Then I'll lift it up, and then after I lift up the backhoe, I'll hook up the hydraulics to it because I need the 3-point hitch system to raise it up before I disconnect it. This is the 3-point hitch system here. I haven't disconnected it yet. Now what's got to happen is these pins right here is what holds the backhoe in place. So I need to raise it up all the way to right up into to fit in these pins here. So it's got to come up or up. Yeah, that's a ways. So there's a lot of stuff in the way. We'll see if we have to move it or not. Hopefully we won't. If we do, we do. Okay, now we got it raised up as high as we can with the 3-point hitch system right here. So now what we have to do is hook up the hydraulics to the backhoe to get it match up with these holes here. So yeah, we have to shut it off. We had to shut it off to stop the hydraulics, and now we have to hook up the hydraulics so that we can match up the pinholes. And like I said, we'll use the gears on the John Deere to raise the backhoe into place. Come on. There we go. All right. Let's start it back up again, see if we can get the pins in. This gets easier every year. So all you got to do basically is just hook the pins up onto the backhoe and switch the hydraulics around. You're good to go. That's it. That's all there is to it. And we want to latch it down with our safety latch here. Bonk. Whoop. Let's start it up and get everything straight here. That up, down, there. We got that hooked up. Now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a logging chain, hook it up to the top of the tiller that I just took off, and carry it with the hooks on the front end of the bucket and place it right where the backhoe was until next winter, or such time as I have to break it out to till a field, help the neighbors or myself. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm gonna take the rest of the day off and enjoy the weather. Yeah, buddy.